So guys, VanEck to launch Bitcoin futures ETF on November 16th. So guys, you're welcome back. It's your boy Keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap's blog. Our article was written by Leo Jacobson. It's an article review. So table of contents, the feature is now saying what could well mark the beginning of a brutal price war in the fledgling cryptocurrency exchange traded fund industry. VanEck announced that it will launch its Bitcoin futures based ETF on Tuesday, November 16th. So the VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF (XBTF) released on the Cboe Commodities Exchange with a 65 basis point fee, nearly one third below what the two existing Bitcoin ETFs charge. So the announcement came just days after the US Securities and Exchange Commission shut down its application for a physically settled Bitcoin ETF, the one which is based on a basket of actual BTC rather than Bitcoin futures contracts, citing concerns about fraud, price manipulation in the Bitcoin market. So the VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF's management fee of 65 basis points, 0.65%, compares with the 95 basis point fees charged by the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF B2 and Valkyrie Investment Bitcoin Fund BTF. So VanEck was pretty open about starting a price war, titling its press release the lowest cost Bitcoin linked ETF to launch on November 16th. So ProShares launched first on October 19th and saw $1 billion traded on its first day alone. So when VanEck announced the plan on October 25, ETF store president Nathan Geraci told the Financial Times that while B2 has already accrued a huge advantage as first mover, at the end of the day, Bitcoin futures, commodities, ETFs, products, say cost matter, and I expect a brutal fee war to play out in this category. This is the opening salvo in what will be a ruthless ongoing fee competition. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here available on Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, and more. So the feature is now on November 12th. The SEC turned down the physically backed VanEck Bitcoin Trust ETF, saying that the company hadn't proved to the omission satisfaction that this structure would prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices or sufficiently protect investors and public interest. So that was expected as newly appointed SEC chairman Gary Gensler had made fairly clear that he preferred futures-based Bitcoin ETFs, which he feels are harder to manipulate. So among the seven concerns, the SEC had about the Bitcoin market's price integrity, where was trading, price manipulation by whales with extreme large holdings, and the hacking of Bitcoin exchanges. So, guys, that's all from our CoinMarketCap blog today. Shabai Keys, thanks for staying to the end. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button below, and we'll be giving a giveaway to all our subscribers, guys. So once we get over to 1,000 to $5,000 5,000 subscriber mark, so you want to stay tuned to them, guys. So one love, peace out, and see you in our future uploads. Goodbye, keys.